Magandang araw. Ako po si Mark Lester Lirag at ito po ang aking daily devotion. Katapusan na nga ba ng panahon o eschatology na tinalakay po ni Pastor Russell Ocampo sa 365 daily devotion. Ang Bible verse po ngayong araw ay galing sa Revelations chapter 21 verse 1 to 4. Sabi po ay, "Then I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth had passed away, and there was no longer any sea. I saw the holy city, the new Jerusalem, coming down out of heaven from God, prepared as a bride beautifully dressed for her husband. And I heard a loud voice from the throne saying, 'Look, God's dwelling place is now among the people, and He will dwell with them. They will be His people, and God Himself will be with them and be their God. He will wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death, or mourning, or crying, or pain, for the old order of the things has passed away.'" Sabi po sa Bible verse is tayo ay nakita ng iba na sabi sa Revelation is na nakita daw niya ang first heaven at ang first earth ay wala na. At ang topic po ngayong araw is eschatology. Ito po yung study. Eschatology is the study of the last things God planned for the future. Kasama dito ang pagbabalik ni Kristo, ang huling paghuhukom, at ang pagbabago ng lahat ng bagay. Ang first teaching is, God controls the future. Una, we are reminded that God is in control. Hindi natin kailangan mangamba o mag-alala dahil alam natin na ang Diyos ang may hawak ng ating bukas. Sabi nga sa Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11, "For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you." Ang future natin ay hindi nagkataon lang. It is all part of God's perfect plan. Kung alam natin na siya ang may control sa lahat, then there's no reason to fear even with the uncertainties of the world. Ang second teaching is, Jesus will return in glory. Pangalawa, ang pagbabalik ni Kristo sa kaluwalhatian. Sa Revelation chapter 21 verse 1 to 4, makikita natin ang pangako ng bagong langit at bagong lupa. Isang araw babalik si Jesus at papawiin niya ang lahat ng kalungkutan, sakit at kasalanan. Para sa atin, ang pagbabalik ni Kristo ay isang maluwalhating araw. He will come to restore everything to its original glory. Kaya every time we face challenges, we can hold on to this hope that Jesus will return and He will make everything right. Ang last teaching is, creation will be restored. God will restore the creation to its original beauty and perfection. Sabi nga sa Revelation, God will wipe away every tear from their eyes. There will no more death or mourning or crying or pain, for the old order of things has passed away. Lahat ng bagay na nagdudulot ng sakit at paghihirap sa atin, ngayon ay mawawala na sa huling panahon. We look forward to that day where pain, suffering, and death will be no more. Yun lamang po.